Good morning. It's Professor Lucas again. It's been a while since I've done one of these announcements, so sorry about that. There's a lot going on. So let's get right to it. This Thursday at 5 p.m. via Zoom, there will be a workshop conducted by Miss Sarah E. Maldonado on resume writing. That's at 5 o'clock, and the link is in the description below, so you can check that out. Sarah E. is here to help you with resume writing, portfolio development, your internship searches, your career searches, and she can even answer some questions about transferring to CSUs. So hit her up, go to that workshop, check it out. If you can't make it live at 5, we'll be posting the workshop later on our YouTube channel. So be sure to stay tuned with that stuff and check it out. She's here to help all of you that are in the program with those career development things. Next, I just want to announce that even though we're still virtual in the spring, the campus has agreed to allow you all access to your lab space at least once a week starting in the spring semester. So you'll have one day a week where you can come to campus and work on projects and then leave. It'll be obviously there'll be a lot of steps to that process and what you'll need to do, but you'll be able to get access to equipment and space without always having to check it out. So more to come, more exciting stuff to come, and we'll talk to you soon.